Yo, it's Trey Glock coming quarantine style once again with another NBA Youngboy review. You know we're gonna come hard. Hey, my boy on top of the game right now, so we gotta stay up on it. We gotta stay afloat. Today we finna do Slime Mentality. This one came out September 1st, 2019. That's a few months ago. It still feel like 2020 just got started. So this album's still kind of new, even though it still get played in my car pretty much. Yeah, man, let's get into it. After the motherfucking
Our lawnmower 3.0, it is the best
hey.
in the
my mama slime, my sister slime, my brother slime, my daddy slime, yeah, he slime. Hey, how you wanna do it? I'm in here. Hey, 4K Trey. I'm on pretty dog, nigga, I'm on that same shit. Nobody say, look, let's go. Boom, bow, pussy bitch, don't try to run now. Fuck nigga ain't have his head on. I'ma make sure that these niggas see me through the headphones. I been coolin', but these pussy bitches just won't leave me alone. Crack you in your shit just to see what's on your mind. I'm Youngboy wiping, Kaylin wiping, yeah, she slime. Police on my ass, gotta watch the way I'm sliding. He acting hot, them slimes from down to ease his mind. Yeah, I pull up acting in a photo.
Look like another video shot in my boy's state. Look like he right in his backyard in this hole. That's the second video I seen this boy shooting this house. But he was on house arrest, so I give him that. But yeah.
Oh, you would think my niggas with me in this bitch, but boy, I'm solo. And me sharing a sofa, still a come and kick your front door. Bro, geeking off that sofa, wildin' out, bitch, if you don't know. I'm telling you niggas, I drop a bag just to finish you niggas. He think it's done, but that's his ass, I'm gon' get rid of you niggas. At a show or anything, bitch, we gon' hit at you niggas. I want them all, that's on my dog, bitch, we gon' get at you niggas. P.O. Block and trying to catch a nigga outside. I'm thinking for real, I tell you, bitch, I crossed the law line. I'm bout mine, let's slang iron, 3 run on with that Glock 9. Motherfucker, they clutching, they all in trouble, I'ma bust mine. Hold on, grew up in that fire, he came out of slime, he don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' 9. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance, look. Put on side, I'm dump 100 in a car. Boom, bow, get you slipping in, you ain't gon' see the mud. This for dump behind him, we dying hard. I go by top, get out your top, I draw the sword. Everybody in here slamming with a nigga. Hey, they ain't no shit, they don't want no problem with a nigga. These hoes ain't shit, I put a Remy on a pillow. Mention the op, I tell her stop until it fill up. Bitch, stop. Bro just wrote me in the message and I read it, what it said. He jokes off you about your ex and then he dead. I'm banging green, but I get mad and leave out red. I been that nigga, you gon' get that through your head. Bitch, yeah. Up in that fire, he came out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' 9. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance, look. In that fire, he came out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Don't give a fuck who come behind, cause bitch we slangin' 9. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, and I don't care who they around, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch.
Hey. So it's another NBA Youngboy video, Slime Mentality. It's a pretty good song. It's like the song slide, but I just watched the video. I may be a little biased, but I just watched the video of him shooting it on this house, and it's like, you know, I ain't gonna lie, that shit kind of get like, as a fan, I know you get tired of seeing that shit, but like you can't really like complain because the nigga was on house arrest for so long. The nigga shot like probably like 40 videos in this house. I know people tired of looking at this nigga house, but yeah, man, good video. To be honest, the fact that they shot his house again was his only downfall. He really ain't had too many females in there. I ain't really expected because of the song, but I gotta get a video. This video, a 6, 7. Wasn't really much done. It was kind of dry. I feel like he kind of just like shot this to like, okay, yeah, slime mentality. We got to get the video out just, you know, just for the fans or some shit. I feel like he just shot a bullshit video. He didn't really put no thought into it. Like I said, the nigga just went out to his house with his partners and shot a video, you know, different scenes and shit like that. Like, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? Because he was on house arrest. He couldn't do much. But there is, you know, he could have, all that money he got, he could have paid somebody to do some type of editing or something to the video. Like, you know, make some special effects on there. Like, I don't know, that's just me personally. But I don't think the video is definitely not one of his, like, he has better videos than this. So I'm going to give him a 6 or 7 on that because I feel like he didn't put that much effort into it. But, yeah, that's the review of another YB song, Slime Mentality. I like the song. I downloaded all his albums, everything. Y'all make sure y'all leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and you guys stay safe out here in this quarantine. Peace out.